Okay, so you want to cut down on the amount of waste that you put out for the bin men to collect, and you want to turn that waste into something useful. Well, how about trying this? Whenever you have oranges, lemons, or clementines or grapefruits or whatever, this citrus fruit, don't chuck the peel out, stick it in bags, put it in the freezer, and when you've got enough, you turn it into marmalade. The example that we have here is clementines. We had the clementines over Christmas, kept all the peel, and then we boiled it for a couple of hours and then strained it overnight. Well, the boiled up peel isn't going to be wasted. That goes into the compost bin. The next job to do is measure the liquid, and we've got just under a litre there. Now, because we're making marmalade, then most people like some kind of shred in it as well. Now, if it's clementines, then you can just chop the peel, but chop that bit of peel that doesn't go into being boiled up, because it just becomes mush by the time it comes out. We've kind of cheated with this one because we had a whole surplus of lemons, and we're going to make them into marmalade as well. So we grated the peel on the skins on 4 of them, and that lot's going to go in to the pan as well. And then apply heat to bring them to the boil. This peel has come out of the freezer. It is lemon and grapefruit. So once we're waiting for this pan to simmer, we are putting the other one on to bring up to the boil, and we'll leave that to simmer for a couple of hours. When the liquid has come up to the boil, add in a kilo of sugar for every kilo of liquid. Give it a stir and bring it back to the boil. Now, this was 900 mils of liquid. I put in a kilo, so it's okay to allow for a little bit of variation. But we'll bring this back up to the boil. The marmalade has been on a rolling boil for a few minutes now, and to test for the setting point, I took a dollop of the marmalade and put it on a saucer, and normally what I do is just check to see if it's developed a skin, but what has happened here is that it is fully set on the saucer, so that means this is now ready to go into hot sterilised jars. Here we have one of 3 jars that we've made, and it's still very hot. This is the other peel that we've got, and in this pan we've only just put on the cooker, so it's not up to heat yet. The other one is. We'll let that one simmer for a couple of hours. This one will catch up when it's starting to boil. We'll let that simmer for a couple of hours as well. This one will also have some more lemon peel added to it to help bulk up the taste.